Hello, my name is Elaine Chu, and I'm the co-founder for the Institute for Imaginative Inquiry. I'm so pleased to have this opportunity to bring this work to your area. Imaginative Inquiry has transformed my teaching practice and continues to do so after 15 plus years of teaching in the classroom. It creates engaging and exciting contexts for your existing curriculum or helps you think of new curriculum to use. Imaginative Inquiry uses children's greatest asset, their imaginations, as a powerful learning tool. It creates narratives for students to step into another world, whether it's another time or place or a compelling situation asking them to solve a problem. Students engage with academic material not as passive observers, but as active participants. Because the lessons are unscripted and open-ended, students are asked to use their critical thinking skills, they have to take on different perspectives and empathize with others, and they have to collaboratively make decisions to help solve problems. Students think deeply about issues of identity, diversity, and social action. So, as we look into the future and towards a time when we will be back in our classrooms working face to face with our students and building community, I hope you will join us this fall as we celebrate new beginnings with Imaginative Inquiry.
I learned that no matter where or when, you could always imagination.